My name is Kyla. I'm a master designer and I've been working for JCPenney for about 4 years now. I got into hair because we kind of always did it growing up. Like my mom would always do our hair at home. Me and 2 sisters, so 3 girls, and then my mom. Hair was a priority. It was part of your identity. And I always wanted to help people, and I feel like giving people their best look helps them in a way with confidence. My favorite thing about being a hairstylist is drastically changing people. You can change someone's whole look with a haircut. You can change someone's whole look with a color. I like the fact that I'm able to have people leave my chair and be so happy and so confident and feel so good about themselves. It does make me feel good too. I like to do different tones within like one strand, so I'll do like the root one color and the ends another color. Like Gemini split hair is underrated. I think it's really cool and I think more people should do it. Really like leave-ins. Style your hair and it's a heat protectant. Like there's so many benefits to a leave-in conditioner. But my favorite is Olaplex. The Olaplex leave-in is great for fine hair, which I have. My biggest advice for a new stylist would probably be don't give up. Don't let anybody push you around. Don't let anybody tell you that you're not good enough, because you may not be good at something particular, but you can be. If it's something you truly want and you're truly passionate about it, stick with it. My favorite memory at JCPenney is I actually met my best friend here. So that's pretty cool. I, as a master stylist, help some of the newer stylists just by letting them know that I'm here and they can ask me things, or even if I'm doing something and they want to know what I'm doing or why, I have no problem with them asking. Yeah, I just kind of let them know that someone's there and that we are a team and that they're not alone. It's great to work here. It's great you work with all kinds of different people. I do certain things that they don't, and they do certain things that I don't. And we all just kind of like learn off of each other and bounce ideas off of each other, which has helped me grow a lot too.